Welcome back. In this lecture, I will discuss what is the access connector in the Azure and how you can create the access connector and basically how you can grant the storage account access to the user. So basically they can access the all the data which is the available in the container. So I will discuss all this step one by one by using the real-time Azure portal. So before jumping to the real-time demonstration, first understand the what basically we have this access connector. So access connector is uh, connector is a proxy identity that act as a bridge between the managed services and the storage account. So the question is come in the picture is what is the managed services? So managed services is the platform where you managing the data. For example, the Azure Data Factory, the Azure Databricks. So through the Azure Data Factory or the Databricks, you need to be have the proper access to retrieve the data from the storage account. So you can perform the data transformation, you can perform the data cleansing, and again load into the different data container. Okay, that we have the clean data. Okay, so to read the data, to write the data, to upload the data, you have the proper access over that. So storage to access for the storage account, Microsoft provided the access connector to connect all these things. Okay, so you are using the Azure machine learning, Azure Data Factory, and Azure Synapse, ADLS Gen2, Blob storage, all these things. You need to be create the basically the access connector. So basically this is the proper architecture. So Azure Databricks workspace basically they navigate to the Databricks managed identity. Like we have the Unity catalog, all these things, and the Unity catalog is basically access all this data by using the access connector. Okay, so first you need to be create the access connector, and then you can access the all this whatever the created in the ADLS Gen2. Okay, so to create the access connector, you can just go to this create resource group. Okay, and within the create resource group, you can create the access connector. Okay, so once you search this access connector, okay, so you can see access connector for the uh, Azure Databricks. Okay, so we are going to do the data engineering project for this on the Databricks. So we will choose this for the Databricks. So once you click on this connector, okay, you can hit the create button. So once you hit the create button, you need to be same thing, like you need to be select the resource group what we have. Okay, so you can give the if any meaningful name. Okay, whatever the do you want to do. Okay, so you can give the access connector STIT, same like and region the same, the storage account are in there. So I'm just choosing the East US. So just you can hit the review, and they can validate all this thing. And once the validation is passed, okay, so you can see it's showing that running final validation. Okay, so once the validation is completed, then you can create the create the hit button. Okay, so this will be now you can see validation is completed, and now I can open this create button. So once the create is completed, so this will be provide you some access connector. Okay, access connector ID. So you can see in right corner is coming from the submitting deployment. Okay, so now it's got created access connector. So now you can see deployment is in progress, and it will take only hardly less than 1 minute. So now you can see it's completed. So you can see go to the resource group. Okay, And in the resource group, so you can see this is the overview of the STID. This is my storage account will be there. So you can just click on this access connector, and you can just click this whatever the access connector you got created you. Okay, so here in this option, you will get one unique resource ID. Okay, so you can just click on the copy to clipboard. Okay, and just you can copy it, and you can paste for the future use. Okay, so just you can paste into the any notepad, and you can save it. So this will be needed for the any future future point of view. Okay, so you no need to be navigate again and again. Okay, so now we have the access connector is created. Now we need to be grant the we have to grant all the permission by using this access connector. So now I'm just going to home page, and I'm just going to click on the my storage account. Okay, because this storage account I need to be provide the all this access. Okay, whatever we have so we granting you need to be create the access control IAM. Okay, so you can just go uh, click here. Okay, so you can see in left corner we have the access control IAM. Okay, so in this access control IAM, just click on this add role assignment. So whatever the user or group will be there that we providing to this storage account. Okay, yeah, here you can search Blob. Okay, so we have the storage blob data contributor, a blob data contributor. So what the description is saying, allow read write and delete access for the Azure storage blob container and the data. So this role I am providing, and once you select, you can just put the next button, and here you need to be add in the select member. So once you add the select member, what how many member in this or organization will be there, but this is my personal, so only my name is showing here, so I'm just selecting this user only and selecting the data. But when we work in the real time, you have multiple user to assign, review and assign it. Okay, so once you review assign is complete, adding role assignment will be blob storage completed. So now this container, this all this storage account, whatever the container we have, you can see, go to the container, all these thing apps have the access for the user, whatever we have provided. So I hope you have the understanding how you can create the access container. So if you attend the interview, okay, they will ask you basically what is the access container, how you can grant the storage account access, what is the access control IAM, and what is the basically data architecture for this particular activity. Okay, so you can perform all these things. So I hope you have the all the understanding. So thank you so much. Keep learning, keep watching.